Welcome back. Today, from my customer's poolside, I thought I'd address a question that's come up. And that is, can you build us a grotto all out of real rock? Well, we can, and that's definitely something we could do. And some of the competitors have been attempting to do that. However, a big area of concern that we feel you need to be aware of is that in the Northeast, we're all aware of the type of climate we have, and the freeze store has a lot of effect on possibly moving or shifting or actually kind of deteriorating some of the real rock. A lot of times guys will be putting these huge big pieces of bluestone on top as a cave ceiling. Okay, that looks good, but if there's any shiftment or movement, or if there's any separation in some of the natural grain, that's going to be an enormous repair, maybe even impossible, because that's done early on in the backyard construction. So take our advice. We've been building grottos for almost 2 decades now. The proper way to do it is to inculcate what we call a hybrid installation, where we're using real rocks, but we also have to use the structural components of rebar, cement, and castings to give you the integrity that you're going to want for years to come. That's the best installation. We hope you take this advice for when you're looking to do your extreme waterfall. We're here to help. Send us your questions. We appreciate following up with you guys, and thanks so much for all of your kind comments and requests that you've given us. Our goal is to enrich your lifestyle. We hope that our inspirational videos and content has been doing that throughout the pandemic. We're looking forward for some new construction ideas, new envisions to help bring your projects to the next level. Till next time, it's Jeffrey Scott. We hope you enjoyed this segment. We'll talk to you guys soon.